Hi, my name is Abhishek Rai and I work for BMC Cloud Lifecycle Management product. Today I'm going to talk about exporting and importing a service blueprint. The plan is to discuss how to export and import a service blueprint and various validations during the import. Once you're done watching this video, you will have an understanding on how to export and import a service blueprint and how you can utilize these service blueprints created and tested in dev or pre-prod environments. During the demo, we will talk about how to export and import the service blueprints, and we'll also talk about validations. Let's switch to Cloud Administration Console and talk about these steps. Okay, I'm on our BMC Cloud Lifecycle Management Administration Console and have already switched to Service Designer workspace, and I have already rendered one of my service blueprint. Before I perform the activity, let's talk about the importance of importing and exporting service blueprints. Blueprints are stored as .json file in BMC Cloud Lifecycle Management solution. You can import and export the service blueprints from one environment to other environment as needed. For example, in case you have got different environments for development and productions, then you can build and test a service blueprint in the development environment and then you can export them and import it into the production environment. You can import blueprints that were created in and export from version 3.0 and later version of BMC Cloud Lifecycle Management. While onboarding the service blueprints, you'll have to make sure that virtual guest packages, installable resources, and software packages referenced by that blueprint are present on the target server. In case that is not present, you can still go ahead and import them, and later you can render the service blueprint, modify those sections, or you can open a .json file of your service blueprint and modify particular sections. For example, you can take a look at the functional models and modify the installable resources. For example, this one, just in case you know the PDC entry, then you can replace the actual PDC entry with the PDC entry available in the exported service blueprint. You can scroll it down, you can take a look at the network, next, and then finally the functional model references. So you can change or replace the values from here, or you can go ahead and import the service blueprints and perform the changes after importing it. Let's talk about the validation. So when you try to import a service blueprint, system checks whether that service blueprint is already available in the BMC CLM solution or not. And the unique key is basically the blueprint document GUID. So just in case you would like to keep the same name, then you would like to change this value so that system go ahead and import your service blueprint. So let's try to import the same service blueprint and take a look at the message. So choose file. I have already exported that service blueprint, so I'm selecting this. Click open, click OK, and now system will validate whether this service blueprint is already available or not. So you can see that it's saying it skipped import of the following blueprint document as they already exist in the target server, and that was your service blueprint name and version 5. There is other validation, and let me show you that as well. So click on blueprint, retire your service blueprint, click yes. Okay, so that service blueprint has been retired. Now try to import it and see what happens. Choose file, service blueprint.json file, click open, and then click OK. Now you can see that it says that skip import of the following blueprint document as they already exist in the target system. Service blueprint name version 5, and now system is going to import that service blueprint. So it says that the import operation has restored the following previously retired blueprint, and here's the blueprint name. It's basically restoring the previously retired service blueprint in case you try to import it again. Click OK. Okay, let's see how you can export the service blueprint. So for that, you need to click on this drop-down menu from here and click export. It will export the service blueprint on your machine. And here's a message says successfully exported the blueprint. Click OK. I hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for watching this.